Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about one honest truth that why is English so difficult for us? The truth is that English is not difficult, okay? Uh, the system makes it difficult because in schools we have been taught English just like a subject, not as a language. We have never been told that English is a language, okay? That's why it happened with us. We learned English for exams, we learned English grammar rules, we learned writing answers, but we didn't learn what? Speaking. And the another reason is that we always compare ourselves with a fluent English speaker. Why? Because you know what? By comparing ourselves, we just feeling small in front of them. So don't compare yourself with them, okay? I want to tell you that English is just a language, okay? It's a skill just like another skills that we can learn. So your practice will make it better. So if you will practice every day, you will speak confidently one day. Okay, so as I said that I am restarting my journey of learning English and improving my speaking day by day. So you can join my journey again. I will share with you everything, but by saying this I just want to tell you that English can be learned. Okay, it's a language, and don't create a pressure on yourself that you can't speak English because it's not your mother tongue. Okay, it's not our mother tongue. We can learn this now. I can speak a little bit right now. I think it is better than speaking nothing. So speaking is the most important thing. That's why I have started this this series or this YouTube channel, so that I can every day speak here in front of you. I can communicate with you because English is a language the for communicating with each other. So I can communicate with you. You can comment me in the comment box. I will definitely reply you. From here we will start this journey together. Okay, so I'll meet you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.